The global coronavirus death toll has now reached over 37,000 mark. On Monday alone, over 3,000 people lost their lives due to the deadly virus around the world. Over 7.84 lakh people are infected so far, out of which over 1.65 lakh COVID-19 patients have recovered. So that's a positive sign out of the whole thing. But the death toll in Italy has climbed to over 11,000. As you know, Italy has been the worst affected country in the world when it comes to COVID-19 deaths. Coronavirus has claimed over 7,700 lives in Spain. The death toll has risen to over 3,300 in China. This is where it all started. Over 2,700 in Iran, over 3,000 in France, over 3,100 in the US, over 1,400 in the UK. Now close to 900 in Netherlands and over 600 in Germany. Let's take a look at some of the updated numbers when it comes to COVID-19. So there you have it. From the United States, we have a total case of 1,63,429, out of which over 3,000 people have already succumbed to the deadly virus. But the positive thing out of this is that the total number of cured members are over 5,600. Things look gloomy in Italy as well, as they have also breached a 1 lakh mark, out of which the total number of deaths. This is where the problem is for Italy. The medical staff and the arrangements over there aren't just essential enough in order to ensure that people do not succumb to this deadly disease, while the total number, just take a look at the difference between the total number of deaths which have happened and the total number of people who have got cured. Just a minimum difference of 3,000, close to 3,000 people. Up next on your chart is Spain, where numbers aren't that great either, over 87,000 people cases. In Germany, the cases are quickly inching towards 67,000, but the good part is that the total number of death is very minimal, only 645, and the number of cured. So there is something which Italy can learn from Germany. Maybe call in the German experts, doctors, take the help, save the life of people, whoever you can. In Iran, the numbers aren't great either, over 41,000, and in France. So Europe has clearly become the epicenter of the disease so far. Combined, over 5,000 people have lost their lives in both Iran and France, but the total number of cured people in Iran is over 13,000, while close to 8,000 in France. Up next, we have United Kingdom, Switzerland. United Kingdom, over 22,000, also one of the worst affected countries due to COVID-19. Also their Prime Minister as well, Boris Johnson, has also succumbed to has also been affected with COVID-19 with over 1,400 deaths and only 171. So clearly they are also struggling when it comes to curing COVID-19. Switzerland, over 15,000, while, as we said, over 7,81,000 cases totally reported so far, which has now increased to 7,84,000 at this point of time. The recovered numbers are 1,65,000 and the total number of deaths are over 37,000.